Check out Ryan over there in his mask. See, he's tried the Jenga already. Now he's gonna put on the luchador mask.
All those who stand in my way shall not live to tell the tale.
And let's go. Yeah, good one, good one. Very good one. Time! No, get out of there. Alright, we got Ryan Libre and Dan. Ready? Let's go.
Where'd you get your ankle? Okay, here,
Oh, good one, good one. Watch the nuts, watch the back. Move lateral, lateral. Circle around. That's it, good, good, good. Body shots, go. Time, good job, Ryan. Time, gather.